Hello guys, welcome back at Son of Thins. But for today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix TikTok Shop not appearing on TikTok profile. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering why the TikTok Shop option is not appearing on your TikTok account. So there are going to be a few things that you need to do here in order for you to set that up. So first, you want to open up the TikTok app here. Click on your profile at the bottom right here to access your profile. And as you can see, when someone visits your profile, typically they should have the option to visit your TikTok shop if you already have that set up. But the thing with this one is like what I said before, you need to set this up. So at the top right of your screen, go ahead and click on the three bar icon, click on TikTok Studio. Now, by the way, before it was named as Creator Studio or something similar to that, but it's now renamed as TikTok Studio. So go ahead and open it up. Now, there are two ways for you to add a TikTok shop link here. So, first way here is the TikTok shop for creator. So, this is under monetization in the TikTok Studio. So, what you could do with TikTok shop creator, this actually allows you to add links into your profile and basically start promoting and start earning commissions from the sales that you'll be making through the videos or promotions that you'll be doing, which is something really cool. But if you want to basically start selling on the platform itself, you need to choose Creator Marketplace, which, or sorry, not Marketplace here, TikTok Shop for Seller, which in this case involves you signing up, creating your account, and providing some verification about yourself. Again, you need to verify yourself here, provide some information in order for you to start selling on the TikTok Shop. Now, in this case, this also applies for, like, for example, for TikTok Shop for creators. You need to apply for this one. Go and click on apply here, provide all necessary details, whatever detail that they need. But yeah, so in this case, this will actually allow them to approve or not approve your application. So in my case, like what mine was actually approved. As you can see, your application was approved. So you can go and click on start earning here and basically start adding products if you want. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.